It is Monday, May 13th, and I hope you all had a marvelous Mother's Day. I did. It was very fun. The weather was glorious in the mountains. It was sunny and warm, but cool air and cool at night. Open the windows for sleeping. It's pretty fine. Saw a coach pitch baseball game of 5-year-olds. And had a big time. It was really good. No complaints. While I was gone, we got in something brand new. And we got in some kits. So these are all ready to go. Everything you need is in the box. So here we go. This one, they are from Bergen and Bath. And we have this adorable teddy bear, right? A needle felting kit. Totally exciting little teddy bear. This one is $36. We then have these precious little mice. Look how cute they are. This one's $32. So cute. Then we have a hedgehog, a baby, tiny little hedgehog. This one is $32. Excuse me, my allergies. And this polar bear is adorable, and he is $36. How cute is that? Then they also have macrame kits. So I thought these were fun if you wanted to make a set of coasters. This set is $40, and it's these 3 colors. So it's blue and tan and this chocolate brown. I like that. So this is $40. This is very cool. This one is gold and navy and off-white. Love that. Again, $40. And this one is pink or rose and kind of a taupe color and that charcoal color. So awesome. And last but not least, I love these. This is just a big leaf that can be hanging on your wall, and I have this charcoal gray and the cream. How cool is that? $32 each. Love these. What a great gift, right? So fun. All right, Bergen and Bath. B-I-R, Bergen, B-E-R-G-I-N, Bath. Love it. Love it. I got my hair cut today. It will be so better tomorrow. Got a little cut in color, but it's not the way I do it, so it'll look better tomorrow. It's all good. All right. What else do I have? Anything else? We had our emotional chicken knit along today, and everybody must be emotionally supported because a lot of people weren't able to come. We missed you. All right. I will see you tomorrow.